Welcome to Entertain Club. Which dog are you?
This is Henry. This is Leo.
This mountain biker breaks a world record. Yeah! A Spanish daredevil named Bienvenido Aguado pulled off the longest dirt-to-dirt front flip ever, 30 meters.
30 metros. Woohoo!
It happened at an event in Stellenbosch, South Africa, where free riders tempt gravity. Once airborne, Bienvenido seemed like he might never come down again. And when he'd completed the course, there were shouts of celebration. Afterwards, an elated Bienvenido described how he felt.
I've been waiting for so long, but it was time. All the pressure was out after doing it, and I'm happiest dude on the planet right now.
This bird doesn't want to get off this car hood.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Yes. I'm using the way.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hoped you liked it and made you smile. See you soon!